So what's domain and range? Well, I'm going to tell you, domain and range is a big deal with algebra. And we're talking like a major deal. It's like the biggest concept that no student ever understands. It's real simple though. Domain versus range. What the crap is it? Well, domain is what you plug in. So what can I plug in? Okay. Range is what can I get out? So when I'm thinking about what can I plug in and what can I get out, we're talking about relations, okay? We're talking about things that are set into equations, okay? So domain and range is very simply, how are my x and y values compared to one another? So domain is usually your x's. When I say usually, I mean I can change the variable, but x is our domain. That means our range is y. It always will be. It's something you need to remember. Number 2, x is called the input. That means that y is called the output. And finally, 3, since x is what we're plugging in and we're changing and doing different things with, that means it's independent. And if you know what independent means, it means, well, I'm not dependent upon anything, okay? I'm not dependent upon anything that's happening to affect me. So because x changes and it does different things and we plug it in, it's known as the independent variable because it's independent. Which means that our y value is the dependent because it's dependent upon what x is. See, the independent variable is independent, but the dependent variable is dependent upon what x is. So what I get out is always dependent upon what I put in. Okay? I can't go back and forth there. So it's what I get out is dependent upon what I plug in. But this is domain and range, okay? Domain is my x values, okay? It's my input, it's my independent. The range is my output, okay? It's my y values, it's my dependent. Just something that you need to remember.